Kashmir Valley has witnessed severe flash floods amid incessant rainfall. There have been several houses that have been damaged in the aftermath, and the police and the CRPF and the NDRF forces have also been deployed to hold rescue operations in the area where it is necessary. Meanwhile, there has been a severe change in the temperatures that have been recorded. There have been heavy rainfall that has also been reported in the valley.
From last 48 hours, Kashmir Valley continues to receive rains, and these rains have triggered flash floods and landslides in Kashmir Valley, particularly in North Kashmir. Now, what is the ground zero situation? We are reporting from Handwara, and my Vijay Shafiq will show you the images of this locality called Chogul. And in fact, several residential houses are under the water. The flood water, in fact, have entered into the residential houses here at Chogul. There are around 30 residential houses that have got impacted. Similar scenes we are witnessing in other areas of Handwara, particularly on the right and left side of Phoru Nala. In fact, the water level has increased because of the incessant rains that Kashmir Valley is receiving from last, not just 48 hours, but from last, in fact, many days. Earlier today, the police, CRPF, the NDRF and SDRF teams have in fact came in and rescued these residents, in fact helped them to move out of their residential houses, but they say that their belonging is in fact their valuable items are still inside their residential houses. That includes the essentials. The district administration tells us that the residents have been in fact shifted to nearby Panchayatgarh and other build safer places and locations.
All right, those are the details coming in of the weather situation that has been reported in the Kashmir Valley. With that, we head into a short break. Back with the latest headlines on the other side.